Is legal issues can be a complicated challenge for business people. Do you have any advice for business people and entrepreneurs here tonight?
I do. Number one, get the best counsel that you can. I'm talking, your accountants, your lawyers. Get people that are well known in the community and have the ability to get issues resolved. My office gets calls from professionals all the time. Hey, just clarify this thing for me in the business and licensing area or something like that. They then have the assurance that they're going forward. This is what we were told by the Attorney General's office. Now, if you call the front desk and talk to the receptionist, she's not going to give you any legal advice. But your sophisticated professionals will know who to talk to and who to get some enlightenment about that. So that would be my number one advice. And don't be afraid to work things out. As I've said, I found the Colorado Department of Revenue, I hear horror stories by some, but I found them, when properly approached, are willing to work through most any issue, and I think that's important. Okay, advice for small businesses. Once again, if you're in a small business dealing with customers that can file complaints either with the Better Business Bureau or the Attorney General's office or something like that, my recommendation is if you get contacted to cooperate, we have no desire to get crosswise with businesses. And for example, if it is strictly a contractual dispute, we will say we won't get involved. But if there's an allegation in terms of deceptive advertising or something that's within our jurisdiction and we contact you, I would really encourage you to pick up the phone and say, yeah, here's why we did what we did. And if some employee, said some things that weren't true, we'll resolve it, stuff like that. I really think that I know that I preach, and hopefully my successors will preach, the importance of the business community and being as business friendly as we can possibly be to those that are obeying the law and still take to task those that are violating the law. And I think we feel pretty seriously about that. And so my advice would be, if you ever do run crosswise with our office. Now, if we're sending you a letter telling you you're a grand jury target, don't call us, call a lawyer. But if we're just saying, hey, we got this complaint, somebody said that they responded to an advertisement and then we're told something different, call us and say, hey, either that didn't happen or let's make it right and cooperate with us. Brian, I want to give you a copy of my book, Becoming a Good Ancestor, because I think you're going to become one. And I'm going to give door prizes. Today is April 17th, right?
Correct.
Who's got the closest birthday?
The 8th.
That's pretty close. Anybody closer than April 8th?
Oh, no.
Okay, April 8th gets one. And then, I'm big on families. Who's been married the longest to the same spouse? Over 25 years? Over 30?
No way.
Over 35? Oh, okay, just one? Anybody else over 35? Okay, here's our winner. Okay, thank you very much.